today's update. Have a look round the allotment at the new things that I've been doing. Carrots coming up, even though we've had a lot of snails again and slugs. This side has not done quite as well. There's a big chunk missing where the slugs have had them, and I've had to redo the turnips from some I'd got in modules at home because the slugs decimated this row, so I put one or two in. To that end weren't so bad, but I put one or two in to replace this end. And the beetroot didn't come up, so that packet of seeds I've been trying all year with them. Resorted to a new pack of seeds. I don't know whether you can see on this side, all the way along there, they're all coming up nicely, and out of the other row, just one, two came up. You can see slug pellets are doing their job, and in this side we've got some chard that was just left over from what I put in other places. These are new. Mark's been busy building me lots, and I've only put netting on two. You can step back a bit and you can see. And these are the others he's been making for me. Just got to cover them.